You stick with the big guys and just
Yep.
go after lights.
Stick with the big guys. If you see light mechs, then you're going to go after them.
Understood.
Once we actually fight, anyways.
Weapons online. All systems nominal.
Fleet command.
Echo 5.
Capture the target area and engage any hostiles.
You want us
Wanna-
going up or staying?
Staying low.
Roger that.
Near that middle pathway with the carapace. Light mechs, you can probably cut in towards Echo 7 there. They got a cheat up on the top in Delta 7.
Target acquired.
Scorch.
Airstrike online.
I can pop a UAV.
Move in, heavy mechs, right of the carapace. Assault's in the lead.
New target.
Charlie's the cheetah.
To our left, up top.
Yeah, do you want him?
No, keep them going.
They're up on top and left, all of them.
Acquired.
Yeah. Alright, let's push into them then. Up the steps.
Looks like Nazo engaged the cheetah.
Acquired.
Saw me.
Go for it, guys.
IMEX, I need you over here with us.
Coming.
Don't stop, don't block.
Acquired.
It's my stride.
They're all dropping.
Alright, drop after them. Push, push, push. Drop after them, guys. Push.
New target acquired.
Come on, Delta. Stormcrow. He's almost dead. After him, the Grasshopper.
Destroyed.
Big Mech next. Alpha. Scorch.
Oh shit.
Echo. Grasshopper.
New target.
Stormcrow. Hotel.
Roger, hotel.
Legs on Stormcrow. He's legged.
Destroyed. New target.
Light cheetah. If you're almost dead, save your mech.
He's neutered.
Target destroyed.
Last one.
Echo 6 on the hill. Or, I'm sorry, Echo 5 on the hill.
Roger that.
Like I said, if you're almost dead, save the mech.
It's a good push, man. Solid.
Yeah, it was.
Me and fucking cards could have get our feet out of each other's way.
I was able to stay engaged that entire time. It was awesome.
Well, I had someone in front of me too. I was trying to.
No, I know. You and me were just like tripping over each other. Oh, he's behind me.
Who's
Where?
behind me?
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Delta 6.
Here he is.
Gotcha.
Delta 6. Pretty fresh still.
And, legs, guys, legs.
User in your channel timed out.
Target destroyed.
Nice one.
Got his leg. Mmm, delicious.
Well done.
Success and achievements on the surface.
Boom, boom.
Didn't we have a streak boat?
We did.
Yeah,
Chad.
Weren't you on the lights all the time?
I was until I died.
User
Cool.
entered your channel.
Damn lights.
Nice work,
How
Cypher.
dare you die, Chad?
There you go.
Yeah.